Okay, so welcome back to the Bridge course website designing. My audio is clear and the screen is visible, right? Yes. You can respond, please. Okay. Okay. So in the previous session, we discussed about how to apply styles in our website design, right? So we have created a simple HTML program, and we have discussed how to integrate the CSS that styling properties. Okay, so in the previous session, the yesterday's session, we created this HTML program, right? And we have created the styles.css separately, and we have written the CSS code. Okay, CSS style properties, and using link tag we have to integrate. Okay, and we have created a section called header. Okay, inside header we have created a one title hello world, another title hello world, then paragraph. Then we discuss about how to apply different styles for this h1, um, using class head 1 different style, head 2 different style, paragraph different style, right? So I'll repeat. Star is used for star is nothing but a universal selector. So it will apply the style to the entire web page. Okay, universal selector means it will select all the elements in the web page. Okay, so here when you use margin 0 pixel means all the whole web page margin will be set as 0 initially deep. Okay, so then we can apply different styles for each and every content. Okay, for example, we have created a class header. For this content, if you want to write the class name, you can access using dot the class name, then followed by space, then followed by which tag you want to apply. Okay, you can use tag name, or you can use another one more class name also you can use. Okay, so like this we have practices in the previous class. Okay, so in the previous class, do you have any doubt in this previous class? If you have any doubt, you can discuss. You can type in the chat box also if you have any doubts, or unmute your mic and you can ask. Okay, in this CSS concept.
So how do you make the progress bar?
Can you repeat?
So how do you make the progress bar?
Progress bar. Progress bar. There is a tag called progress bar. 1 minute, I'll show you that. Right. So in W3 School website, so there is a HTML form elements. Okay, HTML form elements. There's a element called progress. Okay. Okay. 1 minute. Just search in Google progress. Actually, we'll try this. Okay, we'll try here. For example, if you want to create a progress bar, so you can use progress. Progress bar, then minimum value we can give 0, maximum we can set as 100, and current value is actually value. Okay, for example 50%. Okay, so this is a progress bar. Here we'll display 50% completed. Okay. So here you can see that. Hope you can see here. Oh, it's not visible that much. Okay, so can you see here?
Yes, sir.
So here, this is just a HTML code. Okay, so here the value will not be incremented. Okay, so if you want to increment the value, we have to write JavaScript logic. Okay, we can fix the current value as 50. This 50 we can change. We can change using JavaScript code. So when you change the value, this value attribute, okay, this blue color will be gradually increased from 0 to or wherever it is previously. Okay, it will be gradually increased to from the current place to 100. Okay, and here also we can update the new value, updated value we can update, we can change. Okay, so but you cannot do with only with HTML, you have to use JavaScript also. Okay, we'll see later. Okay,
So, and what about the drop down menu?
drop down menu is actually, you want drop down menu means uh, you are asking about the uh, combo box, right?
Like cascading drop down, like the one you used in that application form for which subject?
Yeah. That is actually select tag, right? Select tag. You can use options. For example, state. You can write Tamil Nadu. Okay. This only you are asking, right? You can give different state names here. For example, Andhra Pradesh, Kerala. You can write Rajasthan. Okay. Uttar Pradesh. So previously we can create, there is a one thing called label. We can create a label. Inside this label we can write select state. Okay, this label is a tag which is used to for creating a text. Okay, and what is the advantage of this label is, here we can give a small ID, for example state. Okay, name as of now not needed. This ID we can link here, state. Okay, so when you, what is the advantage is, when you click in this particular text, this combo box will be selected. Okay, clear? So in the assignment what I have given is, so in the assignment, yeah, the assignment, select your course, right? BTech Computer Science Engineering. So you can drop down, right? So when you click this, it will drop down. Can you able to see that, right? So this only I'm talking, I'm explaining now. Okay, so here I'm just writing select state. Okay, so that's all. We can save this, and I'll put this break here so that we can see it. Okay, save it, and we can come back. So here you can see, when I select state, when you click, you'll be getting Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh. Okay, Kerala, Rajasthan, all states will be dropped down and we can select a particular state. Okay, it's clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any other doubts? The chat box, any other doubts is there? So no doubts, right? Okay. Okay, so now we move on to the today's session. Today's session, we are going to continue the CSS styling. Okay, it's clear. So I hope you can clear about this progress bar. So I'll just copy and put in the chat box so that you can refer the tag, refer the code in the chat box. All of you see the chat box. You can get the code. Okay, the progress bar and the drop down box. Okay, it's clear, right? So now, so we discuss about how to apply CSS styles, right? So now we are going to practice two more things. First thing is in CSS, we can also set background image also. Okay, first we are going to see background image. So see the reference in the chat box, the W3 School website, the reference. So there is a property called background hyphen image. You can use background hyphen image colon. We can give the location of the image using URL function. URL function, we can attach the location of the image. Okay, so like this we can set background for the div section or any HTML element. Okay, so let us see one example. So here I'm going to do a break. Okay, otherwise we'll try in this particular paragraph. Okay, we'll try in this particular paragraph. Okay, that's a good thing. Okay, so we'll paragraph we have written yesterday, we written paragraph, right? Styling. So in the same place we can write the code. Okay, so instead of background color, in the yesterday session what we have done is we have applied background color, right? Beige color we have applied for this box. Okay, I'll do one more thing here. I'll put some more break so that the bottoms will get some space. Okay, it's clear, right? And margin top 200 pixel I have given, so just I'll reduce to 20 pixel. Okay, okay, so now can you see that the paragraph section? Can you able to see that the paragraph?
Yes, sir.
So now listen, this particular paragraph box, okay, I want to set a background image. Okay, so let's see how to do that. This is a paragraph. It is under the class header. Okay, so dot header paragraph p tag. Okay, so instead of this background color, we are going to set background image. Okay, right? So we have to use the URL function. Okay, so now I need an image, right? So I have copied one image in the same folder. I have so many images. Okay, I'll take one image. For example, I'll take this about company. This particular image will take. Okay, or some. Okay, this particular image. Let's see some good images. Okay, this image I'll take about company iPhone 3. This particular image I'll take. Okay, so inside this URL function, you have to use single quote. Then you have to write just about the. It will display the images, image names. Okay, clear. So now we have set the background image. Okay, so now we'll save this program and come back here. Okay, now look at this. That particular image is coming as a background of the paragraph. Okay, and the paragraph text is coming as a foreground. Okay, it is coming in the Z axis, and the image is actually going in the X axis. Okay, so you have to imagine the things 3D axis. Okay, so the text is actually in the Z axis, and the background is actually in the Z X axis. Okay, clear? So you have to imagine like that. Okay.
Sir, can you repeat it again, sir?
Yes. Okay. See, first, this is a paragraph. I want to set a background image. Okay. Here I have a P tag, right? So in this paragraph, I want to set. So for example, I'll just show you the content. Okay. Okay, so for this paragraph I'm going to set a background color, right? So how will you select this paragraph? First, how will you select this class name is header, right? So you have to use dot header p tag. Okay, dot header p tag. Clear? So inside, we can write background hyphen image url. You have to give the file name, which image you want to show. Okay, already I have copied this particular image in my current directory, current folder. I have the image about company -3.jpg. Okay, it's clear. This image only I'm going to set the background as a paragraph. Okay, it's clear. Now we are clear.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now look at this output. The output look like this. So look at this. That particular image is coming as a background. Okay, clear. So not only this, we can also set in a empty paragraph also we can set. For example, I'll create one more div element here. Okay, break is not needed. Div, here we can say that this is a, I want to set as I want to create a banner image. Okay, banner. Okay, one banner image I want to. So now look at this. Inside this div element there is nothing is there. Okay, so now I want the display background image for this. Okay, so what you can do is we can select this banner dot banner. First thing is, very important thing is, we have to set the width. Width is by default 100 percentage. Height we have to set. Height is mandatory. Okay, for example 500 pixel. Okay, height is mandatory. Then we have to set the background hyphen url, this this particular image. Okay, so now for this particular banner, okay, we will be getting a background image like this. Okay, now look at this. This is output of the particular background image. Okay, it's clear now.
Yes, sir.
Right, so now look at this. When you set background image, by default you will be getting the image will be repeated after once the size is over. Okay, for example, the image size is this much only, that size is over, so the remaining place will be occupied by the same image repeatedly. Okay, so this, if you want to avoid, we can we have to set some other options. Okay, first one is background repeat. This repeat option we have to control. We can say that no repeat. Okay, so when you say no repeat, what will happen? Look at this. Okay, so the image will not be repeated. Okay, only one image will be displayed. But here you can see that here two images, right? So why two images here? Why it is two image? Can you guess the answer? So
So
here
you applied no repeat only to the banner clause.
yes, yes. So we have to copy this and we have to place it here also. Okay, clear? Copy the background hyphen repeat, no repeat option. Here also you can look at this. Only that one image will be copied. Okay. So now the thing is, if you are keeping only one image, the remaining spaces empty, right? It's not look good, right? So we have to span this one image to the available space. Okay, we have available space, so this much is there, right? So we have, I want to span this. Okay, so what we can do is, there is one more option called background size. Okay, background size. There is an option called cover. Cover means it will cover the entire available space. Okay, right? So this is one option. Suppose if you don't want cover, you can use, there is another option is, you can use width and height, how much width and how much size you want. Okay, so that's also we can write. So background hyphen size cover, I'll write here also. Okay, okay. So when I said that, now look at this, that one single image is actually span the entire space. Okay, it's clear. So we have to adjust the height. Okay, we have to adjust the height, and some portion of the image is not visible. Okay, so that we can adjust using one more property called background hyphen position. Okay, so the recommended position is center. If you keep center, we can able to see the image, uh, maximum we can able to see the image. Okay, but it depends on the height. Okay, how much height you are giving for the section. Okay, based on the height only you will be getting the image. Okay, clear. So that's all about the background properties. Any doubts? There is one more option is called contain. Instead of cover, contain you can use. When you use contain, it will show the entire image, but space will be there. Okay, it will show the entire image, but space will be um, available. Okay, look at this. See, when I reload the page, now I can see the full image. Okay, I can see the full image, but the left side and right side gap is there, right? Space is there, it is not covering. Okay, so that's the difference between contain and cover. Okay, contain and cover. Okay, so when you give contain cover, it will cover the entire space. Okay, so if you little increase this height, we can able to cover the entire space. Okay, and we can use this cover. Yeah, now it's coming, right? Almost it's coming, right? Maximum. Okay.
So I have a doubt, sir.
Yes.
So how to set the background image for the whole page, sir, from top to bottom?
Then you have to
Like
write
instead
for
of
this HTML. Okay, here. Yeah, what you have to do now? Okay, for that I'll just comment this, otherwise image will be overlapped, right? I'll comment this particular thing. Okay, this also I'll comment. Okay, if you want to set the whole page, um, we can set like this, not HTML, body tag. Okay, you have to select body tag, and we can set background hyphen image. Background hyphen image, we can select some URL. Let's say that particularly about company 3, and further options. Repeat, you have to control no repeat. If you want repeat, you can keep it. That's not a problem. It depends on the person. Okay, who is designing the page. Okay, position is center, and size is cover. Okay, but the here very important thing is, okay, we have to mention uh, height is important. Okay, height you have to give 100 percentage. Okay, 100 percentage means the whole page. Okay, wherever the page goes. Okay, maximum height. Okay, so now let's see that. Now look at this, the entire page, the background is set. Okay, and foreground you can see the heading, two headings, paragraph, Clear now?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. So all of you clear? Background color, background image. So any doubt, I'll clarify your doubts. Okay, welcome if you have any doubts, because it's a fundamental bridge course. Okay, so you should be study all the you should be clear about the fundamentals. Okay, basics. Any doubts? If you have doubts, you can type in the chat box also. Okay, right? Okay, so no queries. Right. So I think all of you understand the background image. So in the background image, very important thing is height. If you're not giving height, um, the image will not be displayed properly. Okay. You have to give space for displaying the image. Okay. Height is important. Width is also important, but width is actually by default 100 percentage. Okay. For this div tag, h1 tag, p tag, most of the tags, the width is 100 percentage. Okay, except few tags. What are the tags? No. For example, we discuss about a tag, right? No, we discuss about a tag, right? Hyperlink tag, a tag, img tag. These tags are actually um, there is no uh, default width 100 percentage. Okay, right? So here, what you want to understand is just know do remember these things. So there are two type of just note on this two types of HTML tags. Okay, one is block, the next one is inline. Okay, block means the elements will be coming vertically. Okay, vertical. Okay, one by one row, vertical layout. Okay, inline means horizontal layout. Okay, okay, so you can just note down this. 1 minute. Can you see this notes here? Font is visible, right?
Can you make it a little bigger, sir?
Yeah, yeah. Now it's okay, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, there are two types of tags. One is block, then next one is inline. Block level elements are actually vertically laid. The layout is vertical. Inline means horizontal. Inline means what are the tags known? A tag, okay. So A tag you have studied, right? Then img tag, okay. IMG tag and the input tag, in the text box and all. Okay, input tag. These tags are actually inline tags. Okay, block level tags are actually div tag. Okay, div section, paragraph, then h1 to h6. Okay, h6. Okay, then so many tags are there. Okay, right. So these tags are actually block level elements. Okay, it's clear now. Right. So why I'm telling is like this block level element, the width is 100 percentage. Okay. Width is always 100 percentage. 100 percentage means the entire screen width. Okay. But in inline, the width is depends on the content. Depends on the content. Okay. For example, you are displaying a hyperlink hello. So hello, how many characters are there? Hello, 5 characters, right? So the width of the hyperlink A tag will be the 5 character width only. Okay, not 100 percentage. Okay, so that is actually the difference. Okay, it's clear now. So all of you understand now? Yes or no? Okay, fine. Okay. Yeah, there is another doubts. If the background image should be repeated certain times, okay, like only should be repeated 2 times, what should be done? Yeah, there is a another property is there. Background, background count is there. Okay, background repeat count is there. Okay, where is that? Repeat, no repeat, repeat. Let me see that background. Actually, there are two more option is there. One is we can repeat in X direction, okay, and we can repeat in Y direction, okay. So this is actually available. I'll check out, okay. So this I'll check out and tell you, okay, right. The next session we'll discuss, okay. It's clear. Repeat X means in horizontally you will get infinite repetition horizontally. Repeat Y means vertically infinite repetition. Infinite means when you keep on scroll the page, it will be repeated. Okay, right? Certain number of repetition. Let me check that. Okay, it's clear. Right, it's clear, right? Okay, thank you for the doubt. Next, any other doubts is there? Okay, fine. So we are talking about these two types of element, block, inline. Okay, it's clear. There's one more type is called inline block. Okay, inline block is there. Inline block means the tag will be inline, but it has some block level element properties also inline block. Okay, so we'll see later. Okay, right. So now let us see how to understand this block level and inline with an example. Okay, so this program I'll share. I already shared, right? Already shared this program. So I'm going to delete this. Okay, shall I delete this? I'll delete this. Okay, everything I have removed. Okay, now we'll understand the block level element and inline elements. So when you, for example, when I create a div hello world, so I'm going to create 4 hello world. Okay, now here I'm going to write a common CSS property for the div section. So background color, not background color, I'll give a width equal to 400 pixel. Okay, otherwise I'll give 100 pixel. Okay, height is equal to 100 pixel. Okay, width will increase 200. Okay, it's clear. So now let us see the output, how it is. Okay, now look at this. The output is look like this. Okay, now look at this. Since it is a block level element, okay, the all divs are actually coming vertically. Okay, it's clear. The same way, if I am using a hyperlink, okay, if I'm using a hyperlink, test link, okay, I'm creating a test link. Um, okay, the same for test link. Okay, if I'm creating test link, now look at this. That test link is coming horizontally. Okay, div sections are coming vertically. So this is called block elements. This is called inline element. Inline means in the same line continue another element will be coming. Okay, so this is what inline. It's clear now. Yes or no? It's clear now? Any doubts?
Sir, can you repeat it once again?
Yeah, actually, I told you know this. There are two types. Block level elements vertically comes. So width is 100 percentage. For example, width is 100% means. Let me assume that I'll give a class names. Okay, I'll give class names here. This is actually D1, and this is D2. Okay, D3 and D4. Okay, so now for every class I'm going to write a different CSS code. Just one code. Background color is equal to, I'm going to change different colors. Okay, I'll copy this and I will paste again, and this is D2 and this is D3, D4. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to, instead of yellow, I'll give red. Okay, and this is blue. Okay, this is green. Okay, it's clear now? Right. So the same way for this A tag also, I'm going to give a different background color. Okay. So for A tag, this one class, we have to give class, right? A1. Okay. I'm going to give A1, A2, A3 like that. Okay. So now we can understand the difference. Okay. A4. So how we can write CSS code dot A1 background color blue. The same way we can repeat this A2, A3, A4. Okay. So here we can write red, green. This is yellow. Okay. It's clear. So now I have given a different color for 4 divisions, separate colors. So now we'll save the program and come back the output, reload the page. Thing is changed. Yeah, we have to save the CSS file also. We have to save. So we have to click save all. Okay, save all. Reload the page. Now look at this, the difference. Okay. Yeah, actually I forgot to tell you one more thing. Wait, there's a small mistake. Actually the width issue, width no need to set width. Okay, I have set the width as 200 pixels. That's why it's coming only this much. Okay, remaining space is actually vacant. Okay, by default you'll be getting 100 percentage. Now look at this. Yeah, now look at this. Now can you able to understand this now? Block level element.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This particular yellow color division is occupying the entire screen width, because the reason is the width is 100 percentage. Okay, but look at this hyperlink. The hyperlink is actually inline element. It will occupy only the space, depends on the content. Content is here text. That's actually the content, right? So 4 characters only. Okay, so the space is the width is only the 4 characters. Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Right. So this is a default setting. This default setting we can change. Okay. This default setting we can change. For that, there is a property in W3 School website called display. Okay. There is a property called display. Okay. CSS display property. How you want to display the HTML element. Okay. Right. So here, yeah, here you can read. So I'll just give this link. You will get more clarity on this block level element and inline element. Okay, look at this block level elements: div, h1, paragraph, form, header, and all. Inline elements are span tag, hyperlink tag, img tag, and all. Okay, so this display property we can use and we can change. Okay, we can change to inline, block. There are so many types of display behavior is there. Flux is there, grid is there. Okay, these two things are very important: flux and grid, and inline block also there. Okay, right? So we'll see like this. For example, here the div section by default it is block level element. If I change this display colon inline, okay, if I change display colon inline, what will happen now? Can you guess the output?
So everything will be horizontal.
Horizontal, yes, right. So the div element section will be coming horizontally. Look at this, the changes. Okay, major changes. Look at this. All div section is coming horizontally. Hello world, hello world. These are div sections. We have changed to inline. Okay, similarly this hyperlink by default inline, we can change it to block. Okay, hyperlink we can change it to block. How will you change it to block? Select the a tag and we can write display block. Okay, now look at this. The hyperlink is changed to block level elements. Okay, vertically it's coming. Okay, it is occupying the entire screen width. The background color is expanded till the end of the screen. Okay, it's clear. So anytime you can change this property, block level and inline and block level. Okay, it's clear now.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, and inline elements there are some restrictions. The so many properties we discussed, right? Margin, padding, and all. For inline element, there are some restrictions. Okay, so some of the properties you cannot apply for the inline elements. So that's why there is the third type is called inline block. Okay, so instead of keeping this block, okay, suppose assume that you want to keep the hyperlink horizontally, but you want to treat that as a block level element. So we can use inline block. Okay. So when you use inline block, it is an inline element, but it will get it is applicable. It is flexible with the block level element properties. Okay. So now uh, it is actually both inline and block. This is okay, both inline and block. Clear now? It's clear. Any doubts we can discuss now? If you have any doubts, you can type in the chat box also. Okay. It's clear, right? No response. Okay, fine. Right. So one more thing is actually there are two type of display options. First, we'll see that display. Where is display? Yeah, this is display. Okay. The next is flex. Flex is also very important display property. Flex. Okay. Now let us understand what is flex. Okay, we'll understand flex. So I'll remove this hyperlink. Hyperlink is not needed. I will keep this for div hello world. Okay, so this is hello world 1, this is hello world 2, and this is hello world 3. This is actually hello world. So this is 4, this is 3. Okay. Now assume that I want to create a flex box. Flex box means in one row I want to keep so many columns. Okay. So easy to remember is row and column. Okay. You want to create a row and you want to put columns. Okay. So what you can do is we can create one container box. Okay. We can create a container box. For example, class is container. You can put container, and inside the class container we can keep this. We can put all these columns. Okay. Okay. Or we can say that it's a row. Okay. This is a row and this is a column. Okay. It's clear now. So let us understand how to do that. I'll remove this a tag and all. Okay. I'll keep this color and all. Height we can little we can reduce 50 pixel, and display property keep it as block level element. You have to keep it as block level element. Okay. Here. So now if I run the program, now look at this, how it will come. It will come like this only. Hello world 1, hello world 2, hello world. Vertically it will come. Why? Because the default property is block level element. Okay. It's clear. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create the container box. I'm going to change the display option to flex. Okay. So when I apply flex with the container box, okay, all these D1, D2, D4, okay, all these columns will be, all these div section will be becomes a columns of the container. Okay, right? So now let us see the output. Now look at this. The vertical boxes are actually changed to horizontal boxes in one row column. Hello world 1, hello world 2, hello world 3, hello world 4. Look at this. So flux is actually a very important property. Okay, display colon flux. Okay. Now additionally, in flux, what we can do is we can align the item sender. Okay, we can align the item sender. Okay, so it's actually already same width height only. Okay, suppose if there is a different height, okay, different height for D1, D2, D3, when you give align item sender, everything will be coming middle. Okay, center alignment properly. Okay, then there is one more alignment is called justify content. Okay, justify content you can put sender. Let's see sender. When you put sender, okay, all the flux will be coming in the center of the page. Okay, all the flux comes in center of the page. Okay, clear. And instead of center we can give some space between. If you want to give some space between, you can use space between. Okay, so you will get space between every div container. Okay, every D1, D2, D3 you'll get a space. Okay, space between. Other options are actually I have displayed, right? Other options are, for example, if you type space around is there, space evenly is there. Evenly means same amount of space will be coming the left side and right side of every div section. Okay, look at this even space, left side, right side, evenly you'll be getting space. Okay, it's clear. Similarly, we have space around. Okay, space around. Okay, so this is about display flux. It's clear now.
Yes.
Okay, so any doubts you can ask now. This is very important for display. For example, why it is important is look at this. This particular, just will take this particular page. Okay, if you see this W3 School website, okay, this logo is there. Then we have menu options. Okay, these are actually hyperlinks. Okay, these are hyperlinks, search box, and here some icon is there, here something is there, here something is there, here something is there, right? Look at this. In one row we have so many content. Okay, in one row so many content. So what we can do is, first we can create a container box like this. Okay, we can create a container box like this. Then inside we can put all these content. One, you can create one div. Inside you can put this image, logo, and you can create another div. You can create this navigation list. Then one more div you can create for this search box. Okay, and everything you can put inside this container, and you will be getting everything comes in the horizontally in one line you will be getting. Okay, so that's a application of this concept Flux. Okay, it's clear now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so if you have any doubt you can ask now for 1 minute. There's a doubt, what is the difference between inline block and inline? Yeah, inline block and inline is both are inline. Remember, both are inline, but inline block you will get block level properties also will be applicable, except the default width 100%. Default width you won't get when you use inline block. The width is actually depends on the content only, but various CSS properties we can apply that is applicable for block level elements. Okay, clear now?
Yes, sir.
Right. Right. Okay, so now let's see, we'll apply this. We discuss CSS concept, right? We'll apply this concept and we'll design the page. Okay, so we'll take one example. The previously we discussed on web's HTML program, right? Okay, before that I'll give this code in the chat box. Okay, just keep the code. So all of you refer the chat box, the whatever we discussed now, it is there. Okay, look at this. In the first class we discussed one simple website design, right? Yeah, look at this. Okay, so this is a simple website. We have used only HTML. Okay, right? Can you see the screen on this particular page clearly?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now look at this logo image. One title is there. Then these are navigation links. Okay, when you click this, uh, it will be shown. Okay, when you about us. Okay, similarly when you click this, it's little slow. Okay, navigate, right? So now we can apply this particular concept. Okay, display flux concept and this justify content space around, space between. Okay, this particular concept to design this website. Okay, so we'll start this. Okay, let's see how we can do that. Okay, clear? Okay, before that, any doubts? If you have any doubt we can discuss. Okay, so let's try this website design. So we'll start in the new page. Okay, the new page will start. Okay, So what I have done is I have deleted all the CSS file and I have deleted all the HTML program. Okay. So first thing is we need to create a container box. Okay, we need to create a container box. Let us assume that, okay, this is a header. Okay, because it's a first line, right? It's the first line. I want the logo, title, navigation bar and all. Okay. So in the header, first thing is logo and title, right? So for that, we'll create one more header, logo and title. Okay. So I'll keep that class as commonly logo. Okay. Inside this div section, what we are going to do is we are going to keep the logo image. So first img logo, some logo is there. Okay. Then I'm going to keep the heading. Okay. Heading is h1. Okay. In h1, for example, infotech or something we'll discuss. Okay. We'll keep infotech as a title. Okay. The next is I'm going to create a navigation bar. Okay, so navigation means like what is mean by navigation is here you can see this. These are navigation bar. Okay, the links. Okay, hyperlinks. Okay, let us include that. So how to design navigation bar is you have to start with UL. Okay, you have to start with UL. Inside you have to keep every link. Okay, every link I'm going to copy from here. First, I'm going to copy this first link. I'm going to place it inside the li tag. Then again here the second link. Li. So why we are copying like this is when you put a tag is an inline element, right? A tag is an inline element. So when you put this a tag inside some block level element only, we can able to customize easily. Okay, so that's why I'm using a li tag here. Okay. Okay, so now hope it's clear, right? So first we'll see this much only. Okay, so the starting of the website design. Okay, we are creating header and the logo section contains one image and the title of the website, and the next section is navigation links. Okay, navigation links using unordered list of items. Every list of items we are putting the hyperlink. Okay, it's clear. So I'll save it. Now, if I run the program, we'll save this, save all. Yeah. If you run the program, it's coming like this. Why it is coming like this? That's zoom level is 100. Okay. So it's coming like this. Okay. The logo image is coming. Info tech is coming. Here you can see the, I'll just make it smaller. Okay, so hope you can clear now, right? The logo image, the title, and this navigation links. So by default navigation links comes in the vertically. Okay, the unordered list comes vertically, right? It's clear. So this one we have to make it horizontally. Okay, we have to make it horizontally. Okay, it's clear now, right? You can respond. Sort of clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now it's coming like this. Okay, we are going to change it. Okay, so let's write CSS. We are going to write everything in CSS only. Okay, so first thing is you have to do is the universal selector. You have to make the margin as 0. You have to the default margin you have to keep it 0. Then only you have to start designing your other things. Okay. Here default you can set, also you can set font, common font names and all you can select common font. For example, I'm going to select some font. Okay. This for time being I'll select this one. Okay. It's a sans serif fonts, okay, all these font family. Okay, clear, font family. So the entire page this font will be applied. Okay, so next is we'll start with the first we have to start with the header. Okay, so header dot header. Okay, so we have to say that. Okay, uh, by default it is width is 100% only. So if you want understand, we can say that width is 100%. Okay, it's not needed. Okay, width is 100%. And this display property you have to make it flex. Display property we have to make it flex. Okay, so when I make it flex display property, we can see the output now. Okay, we'll save everything and we'll see the output. Now look at this. When I change to display property is flex, this logo is coming here, infotech is coming here, but this list of links coming to the right side. Okay, clear. So this element is coming one side and this UL is coming right side. Okay, it's clear. Then we have to set align items equal to sender. Okay, align item equal to sender. Then we can use justify content space between. You can apply space between. Okay, so it will come like this, space between. Look at this sender. Now this list, complete list is coming center of this logo image. Can you able to understand? Okay, so this header is actually nothing but the container. In the previous example we discussed, right? Container. Clear? No response?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Then we can set background color also. Background color, let it be, as of now I'm going to give white. Okay, I'm going to give white color background for the header alone. Okay, right. So now look like this, right? But now look at this. One more problem is this logo and the title should come horizontally. Logo, then title. Logo and title, right? So these two things are actually like it inside this one more container called logo. Okay, so that's why it is coming vertically. Okay, right? So what we have to write is dot header dot logo. Here also we have to change the display property to flex. Okay, flex, then align items sender. Okay, here space is not needed because we need continuously that should come. Okay, clear. So now let us see that. Okay, when I do like this, okay, now changes is actually, look at this. Now it's coming clearly. The logo is here. The title is exactly center of the logo. And now this side, the navigation links are actually exactly center of the logo. Okay, it's clear now.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, the next thing is look at this logo. It's very big. We have to reduce the size of this logo. Okay, image. So how we can select this logo? Header logo img. Okay, header, the image under header logo we have to check. Okay, so we can set always, don't set width, we have to set max width. Max width is nothing but responsive. Maximum the width will be this much only. Okay, I'm going to keep only 100 pixel. Okay, the width of the image. Okay, so now when I say set max width is equal to 100%, now look at the logo image coming in the proper place. Look at this. Proper place, and this is coming the right side. It's clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, like this only you have to learn the designing. Okay, right? So now we have to adjust some space and all. First, we can adjust the padding. Okay, so padding, when you apply padding in the header, when you set some padding, okay, padding left 20 pixel, okay, and padding right 20 pixel, will get some gap. Okay, coming. Okay, the default padding is there. Okay, get there. Okay, so otherwise we'll do one thing. We'll set margin here. Okay, for the logo section, margin we can set. Okay, actually the padding should be there. Okay, let's try one more thing, one more time. Padding left, some more space. We'll try 100 pixel. Like that padding. Okay, so padding is not working. It should work. Okay, we'll try margin left 100 pixel. Okay, yeah, margin is working. Okay, no problem. Okay, margin is working. So the logo is actually coming to the right side, this much. Okay, and if you want to give some gap between this logo image and this particular title, okay, similarly I'll set the margin right also. Okay, not here. Okay, that we can do it later. Okay, right. Padding should work. Let me check that. Okay, later. Okay, so as of now you understand, right? For this logo section, I'm giving a margin left. Okay, margin left 100 pixel I'm giving. Okay,
Yes, sir.
it's clear. Is that fine? Yeah. So now it's coming like this. Okay, so the left side of the logo thing, you are getting some gap. Okay, clear. Similarly, we can give some top also. We can give something. Okay, top. What we can do is we can, let's try this padding top. Is it working or not? For header, padding top is working. Look at this. We'll give some space. Padding top. Okay. Yeah. Padding top is there, right? So it's working. Next, this H1. Coming to the H1, this info tag will give some gap between this. Okay. So for that, you have to use header dot logo H1. The margin left will give 10 pixel gap. Okay, so for H1 tag I'll give 10 pixel gap. So 10 pixel means this much will be coming. Depends on your choice. You can, if you want 16 pixel also you can give. Yeah, like this it's coming, right? Okay,
Yes, sir.
right. So now to see the boundary of the header, see now look at this. The header boundary and all we are not able to see that. So to see the boundary, we'll give border 1 pixel solid. Okay, gray color boundary. I'll give gray, some color. Okay, for the header, so that the boundary we can able to see. Look at this boundary line coming. Okay, Here padding top 20 pixel we have given, padding bottom we didn't give. Okay, so we have to set padding bottom also. Okay, padding bottom 20 pixel. Okay, now you are getting exactly, you can see that. Okay, I think this line is not visible, right? Yeah, now can you see that that particular header area?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this head, this particular border, later you can remove it. After designing everything, you can remove it. Okay, just to see that where is the content is exact place. Okay, so now this is okay. This is done. There is nothing change. No need to change. It's good. Now I want to change this as a horizontal list. Okay, so we are going to work on this UL. Okay, this particular UL section. Okay, so UL section we can access dot header UL. Okay, so first thing is the list style type, we have to make it none. Okay, the list style type, just note on this. What is list style type is the marker. Okay, you can see marker, right? Bullets. The bullets actually not needed, right? Bullets are actually not needed in navigation bar. So that bullets we have to remove. So how will you remove this? List style type none. Okay, so it will be removed. Okay, it's clear. Now the bullets actually removed. Okay, now I want to make it horizontally. Okay, now home, about us, services, clients, contact us. These links I want to keep it horizontally. So we can use display flex. Display flex. Okay, so when I use display flex, okay, look at this. Okay, when I'm using display flex in the UL tag, look at this. It's coming like this. Okay, but it is actually going right end, right? So we can give some margin. Okay, you can give margin right, some 100 pixel. So it's coming here. Okay, so we can adjust wherever you want. If you want to give some more space, we can adjust like this. Okay, it's clear now.
Yes, sir.
Now what we have to do is home, about us, services, all these things. Okay, what is the problem is there is no gap in between. So what we can do is, can you guess what we have to do? Space,
Break.
not break. See, we are working on CSS. Break is actually HTML tag. You should not use here. Okay, I told you, no, flex box. Flex we discussed, right? If you want to give space between that, you have to use justify content. Okay, justify content you have to use. Okay, justify content, space between. Okay, space between. Okay, so when you do like this, you reload the page. Oh, it's not coming.
Sir, can we use LA margin?
LA margin we can use. That is another way. Yeah, why it is not coming is this is actually problem with that particular thing, right? Actually, even though it is a list item, inside we are having a is, what is a? Inline element, right? So it won't work. Okay, the space between it won't work. So what we can do is we can give margin, we can apply. Clear, right? So let's try that. Margin li, margin right, margin right 20 pixel will give. Now it's coming. Okay, good. It's clear. So header dot header li margin right 20 pixel. Okay, now I have to remove this underline and all. Underline and all I want to remove. Okay, so underline is basically text decoration. Okay, so we can access that using dot header lia. Okay, because you look at this ul tag, li tag, inside li tag only this a tag is there. Okay, so I'll expand for this one. Okay, like this only that we have kept the link. Okay, So how will you access dot header LIA? Okay, so now we can remove the underline. So to remove underline, we can use text decoration none. Text decoration none. So reload. When you reload, now we are getting only links. Okay, look at this. We are getting only links. But when you keep the mouse over this, nothing is changed, right? When you keep the mouse over, nothing is changed. In some website, you can notice that when you keep the mouse over the links, the color is changing, right? Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
When you keep the mouse over this SQL, previously light black, now it is dark black. Okay, when I keep the mouse over this, okay, it's clear. So
Yes.
now let us apply that. Okay, so how to do that is like this: dot header, okay, li a, we have to select a, then colon, we have to apply. Okay, so now before that, okay, so there is one property called not property, called pseudo clause. There is a pseudo clause called hover. It's called pseudo clauses colon hover. Okay, hover means hand over. H stands for hand. Hand symbol is coming, right? What is hand symbol? When I keep the mouse over this, hand symbol is coming, right? So that is called H, over. Okay, when I keep the H hand over, what color you want to change? So we can change background color. If you want, we can change background color. But nowadays, background color, nobody is actually changing it. We'll change only the color. Okay, so for just for understanding, we can use red color so that you can see that. Okay, now look at this. When I keep this mouse over this particular text, okay, the color is changing to red. Okay, can you see that red color changing?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, like this you can put any color, you can apply. Okay, yes. So it's clear now. Just wait 10 minutes. You have to wait. Okay, please wait. It's clear now.
So,
Okay.
so was it necessary to put all of the hyperlinks inside like lists?
Yes, yes. Actually, that is actually more comfortable. What is comfortable means, for this LI we can set background color and all. Okay, LI tag, for example, some background color we can apply. It is not mandatory. This is one way of doing it. Okay, I'm not saying it is actually mandatory. Okay, look at this. Okay, background color is coming, right? Look at this.
Yes, sir.
And we can set padding for this li tag. So when you apply it's applicable to the hype, because hyperlink is an inline element. So if you keep it inside a list item is obviously this block level element. Okay, clear. So that benefit will be getting. Okay, so look at this padding, we can apply to this li. Okay, it's clear. It's coming like this. And the padding you can set little more also. For example, padding left will give more. I have given 10, right? Padding left will give 20 pixel. Padding right will give 20 pixel. So top and bottom 10 pixel. Okay, skimming like this. Okay, there are so many advantages. Okay, it's clear now.
Yes, sir.
And when I keep the mouse over this link, okay, we can like hover, we can change the background color like this. Yeah, actually it's not changing. Why? Because the li tag is display. We have to make it inline block. Okay, here, and the line height. The line height I'll talk about later. Okay. Yeah. Now look at this. When you keep the mouse over the link text. Okay. So the background color is changed, right? But not the whole level. The whole level we can do it. Okay. 1 minute. Let's try block. Twenty pixel, padding 10 pixel. Okay, so I'll just tell you later. So this actually the whole level we can change it. Otherwise, we can do like this way. Okay, 1 minute. Dot header li. For li tag we can write hover. Okay, for li tag. Now can you see that now?
Yes, sir.
So there are some benefits are there, but it is not mandatory. Okay, there are so many ways we can create this. Okay. Okay. So all of you understand this, right?
Yes, sir. Understood.
But this background color is actually nowadays actually no one is using in the website. It is not needed. Okay, only text color only they'll change. Background color is like old style. Changing background color. Um, okay, text only we can change like this. Okay, and similarly background color padding and all you can put, but background color no need to give. It should be transparent. Look at this. Okay, so this is actually good, better than the previous one. Okay, nowadays modern designing. Okay, this is actually the choice. Background color for the links and all not needed. The same background of the header will be used, right? Anyway we are giving a background color for this header, right? It's clear now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so first phase over, right? Like in the our website design, the header part is over. Okay, clear. The last one more point is we can remove this border, and we can give box shadow. Okay, box shadow effect we can give. That one we can write here. Okay, so instead of border, we can remove the border and we can apply box shadow. Okay, box shadow is like nothing but, okay, I'll tell you. Horizontally, first thing is horizontal shadow. Horizontal shadow is not needed. We need vertical shadow. So 10 pixel, then spread radius is 10 pixel, then spread value is 10 pixel. Okay, then we can give color, black color. Okay, so this is a box shadow effect. You will get like this. Look at this. Can you see that bottom, the shadow effect?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So border, no one is using it. Okay. Nowadays, no one is using border line. Border lines are actually old fashioned. So nowadays, box shadow only the latest modern web designing. Okay. So I'll give one link for learning this box shadow. Um, Here also there, box shadow is there in this CSS shadow effects. Okay, just to go through it. CSS shadow effects. I'll just give the link here. CSS shadow effects. Okay, just go through it. Okay. It's clear now. Any doubts? Another 2-3 minutes we'll discuss the doubts clearing session. Okay. So today's assignment is you have to design this. I'm not going to share the code. You design like this. Okay, as per your choice. Any logo you can keep. Okay. Today's assignment, please listen. You have to design this. Okay. Just if you want, you can take a screenshot. So all of you take a screenshot of this particular um, uh, my screen. Okay, you have to design like this. You have to put any logo, for example, sports, games, multimedia, whatever, flowers, okay, car, any logo you can put. One title you have to keep, and you have to create one menus, navigation links using ULLIA. That is some standard way of creating it. Okay, so you have to design this and you have to upload it. Okay, right? Only this much. Okay, is it fine?
Yes, sir.
It's clear now, right? The title and all as per your choice. Any choice, anything you can do. Okay, you the logo images and all you can download. Okay, you have to Google it, logo. Okay, just you have to search logo images. Okay, you'll get so many logo images. You can search, and for example, like you can see, select this images. So many logos are coming. Okay, any logo you can take as per your design. Okay, select the logo and you have to design, and this CSS code you have to type. Okay, properly. Okay, it's clear. Another 2-3 minutes we'll have any questions. We'll take some questions. Okay, so have you all taken the screenshot of this design? Including this box shadow. Okay, box shadow is also you have to take. Okay, okay, so like this you design and send me the code. Okay, not send me the code, in the assignment section upload the HTML file. Okay, along with yeah, now we have a logo image, right? So you have to upload the logo image also, both files. Okay, yeah, so now I'm ready to hear from you. Any question? Anything you don't understand here, you can ask now. Okay, I think no questions, so I think there is no doubts, right? Okay, so all of you clear the assignment section? Assignment?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I will post in the screenshot. I will also post in the assignment link. Okay, so all of you submit. Okay, right. So thank you all. We will continue in the next tomorrow. There will be a class. Okay, remember tomorrow at 10 o'clock. Okay, so all of you listen. Tomorrow 10 o'clock there will be a class. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
So,
Yes, tell me.
so I don't know if anyone else had this issue, but I wasn't able to submit my files yesterday also.
Yesterday you didn't submit, huh?
No, sir. It wasn't allowing me.
Oh, you didn't get the information, huh?
No, like I had it, but it wasn't letting me hand in.
It was not.
Yes, sir. We was not able to submit the files, sir.
I'm able to see your file. See, look at this. Anu Ragini, right? She uploaded, right? Look at this. I'm able to see that. What is your name? What's your name, ma'am?
Praneeth.
Praneeth.
Yeah, the second last.
Second last. It is there now. Actually, in Google Classroom, you have to upload and you have to click turn in. Turn in option is there now. Turn in.
So that only it wasn't. It
So it's
said
glitchy, sir. Actually, for everyone, it's happening. So
Oh, okay. I will find out. I'll check that. Okay. But anyway, your file is uploaded. Look at this.
okay. So
Okay. Right. So today's assignment, I will check that. Okay. Is there any difficulty? Okay. I'll check that. Okay. Yeah, may get the Google Classroom. See, if you're not joined Google Classroom, you can join this. I'll show you the Google Classroom code. Okay. This is the code 2x VQ CQ5. Okay. I'll just copy this and okay. In Google Classroom, actually, I have added so many students, but few students not at join. Eben not join. Florence is there. Josh, John, Joshua, Godwin, KP Sam. Okay, some of the students not joined. This is a class code. Okay, Google class code. Have you noted this code? Okay, thank you all. We will meet in the next class. Okay.
yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Thank you.